you can make any website you want to create without writing a single line of code. And the craziest part is that this is absolutely free. This is not like those scams you see in your Shorts feed, Reels, or anywhere else that promotes some paid software, because here you can create an actual working website without paying anything. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create different kinds of websites using Canva Code and why this is probably the biggest update Canva has ever released. If you've always wanted to create a website but got overwhelmed by coding, complicated software, or expensive developers, then this video is probably going to change the way you look at website creation forever. Now, if you haven't heard of Canva Code yet, it's basically Canva's newest AI-powered feature that lets you generate websites, applications, landing pages, portfolios, dashboards, and even mini games simply by using prompts. Yes, literally prompts. You just describe what you want to create, how you want it to look, what sections you want included, what colors you want to use, and Canva will instantly start generating the entire thing for you. And before you think this is only for professional web developers or advanced designers, trust me, it's not. Canva made this tool extremely beginner-friendly, which means even if you have zero experience in coding, UI design, or website development, you can still create something that looks modern, clean, professional, and fully functional. So now let's get into it. First, let's talk about what Canva Code actually is and why people are going crazy over it. Normally, if you wanted to create a website from scratch, you'd need to learn coding languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or spend hours dragging elements manually inside complicated website builders. But with Canva Code, the AI basically handles most of the difficult work for you. Instead of manually building every section one by one, all you really need is a clear vision of what you want to create. For example, maybe you want to create a portfolio website for freelancing, a landing page for your digital products, a homepage for your business, a personal blog, an online resume, or even a startup website. Whatever your idea is, Canva Code can generate it within minutes compared to how long it would normally take to create manually. So let's go ahead and create one. Head over to the Canva homepage and look for Canva AI or Canva Code, depending on what appears on your interface. Once you open it, you'll immediately see a prompt bar where you can start typing your instructions. Now, this is where prompting becomes extremely important because the better your prompt is, the better your website will look. Instead of saying something generic like create a website, head over to your preferred AI chatbot and give all the information you want to see in the output, then ask for a prompt to generate the website using Canva AI. Now paste the prompt onto the prompt bar and press enter. Canva Code will instantly start generating the entire web page automatically. Depending on how complex your project is, this usually only takes a couple of minutes compared to the hours or even days it would normally take to build from scratch. And honestly, the craziest part is that you can still customize almost everything afterward. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked. Most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. You can change the text, replace images, move sections around, edit colors, add animations, modify buttons, and fully personalize the entire experience based on your preference. So even though AI helps generate the website, you still have full control over how the final output looks. Another thing I really like about Canva Code is how beginner-friendly the editing process is. Unlike traditional coding environments, where one small mistake can completely destroy your web page, Canva keeps everything visual, clean, and easy to manage. So if you're someone who's more creative than technical, this tool honestly feels like a cheat code for website creation. Now, of course, Canva Code still has limitations depending on how advanced or complicated your project is. But for landing pages, portfolios, digital products, agency websites, online resumes, and content-focused web pages, this is honestly one of the fastest and easiest ways to bring your ideas to life without needing to touch code at all. So if you've been delaying your website because you thought coding was too difficult, this is probably your sign to finally start creating one. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now you know how to create almost any website you want without writing a single line of code using Canva Code. From portfolios, landing pages, and business websites all the way to digital product funnels and personal projects, you can now bring your ideas to life faster, easier, and completely for free. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.